Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube tutorial with Samson Abasina Etim. In today's class, I'm going to be showing you a BTS of how I set my lightning. In today's class, I'll be using a two-way lightning, so stay tuned. Welcome back. So our model for today is Miss Favor. I'll be putting her Instagram handle so you guys can follow her. And also I'll be working with two lights like I mentioned earlier. This is going to be my fill light and this is going to be my key light. Right, so I'll be using my Nikon D610. I'm a Nikon fan, but if you're not a Nikon fan, you can use a Nikon camera. But I love Nikon because they give a very good and crispy quality when it comes to pictures. Right, and let's get started. For today's class, I'm going to be setting my ISO at 100, my shutter speed at 1/125, and my aperture at 8 f8. And I'm going to be using just one light to shoot, so we see what we have. Just can you come forward? Very good. So let me turn this off. All right, so and let's snap with one light and see what we have. Can you bring your head down a bit? So you can see that our image is giving us a radiant light, meaning only one side is lit up, the other side is a bit dark. Right, so I'm going to use my fill light to brighten up the other side of the face. Yeah, you can see that our fill light has brightened up the other side of the face. So I'm going to increase the intensity of our fill light, or I bring it closer to our model, but let me just increase the intensity of our fill light. Right, can you give me another posture? Right, can you just do this? Alright, good. So, okay, good. Now I'm going to face the lights towards our face a bit, and let's take one more. All right, so you can see that the face is well lit up compared to when we didn't increase our fill light. So I'm going to increase this a bit and bring it closer, or I'll just bring it closer to our model somewhere here, and I'm going to take it up. And let's go. Can you smile? Yes. So we can see what we have. You can see what we have. This is good, right? And can you just tilt towards this place a bit? Yes. Very good. Awesome. All right. Let's take one more. Good, and can you do this? All right, good, awesome. All right, so guys, you can see how our picture looks good right now. So that is how you set your lightning, but I'm going to go ahead and just play with our model and take as many shots as I want. So stay tuned and see you next time. Can you change your style?